island. You gotta love them. They're doing well. Look at all the daffodils. It's so beautiful along the waterfront. So the market starts in another month, and the market tents will be set up here, and Wendy's going to be set up here too. Wendy and Krista selling their stuff. So this will be all market vendors. So, and then they got anchors in the rocks, so you can anchor your tents down there and here. Aren't they beautiful? And the daffodils. Beautiful palms, eh? Absolutely. I sold those to Justin Scott 25 years ago when they were small. Are you serious? Absolutely, man. You betcha. 4 of them. Male, female, male, female. The Trachycarpus fortunei. See the fruit on that one? Yeah. I've already harvested that one. I took the fruit off of that one like a month ago. Yeah. Yeah, those are Chinese windmill palms. It's funny how that one's a little bit taller. When I sold them to him, it was around 1996, 97, maybe 97. They're quite small. Tiny little things, 5-gallon size, right?
So they do well in this.
Oh, there's tons of palm trees here. They're all over. You see the ones in the planter there? Yeah. That's just from seed I chucked there. Because I used to work for Parks. I retired in October, so I just take the seed and I just throw it around. Wow. There's lots of them growing at Grace Point. If you go to the boardwalk out there, the townhouses, tons of palm trees. Yeah, they're all over. This is the only place they grow in Canada is along the west coast, right? And this particular species is arborescent, so it's a trunk-forming one, and they're native to the mountains of China. So they're fully cold hardy for our climate, right? Wow. Yeah, the coldest winters here will never bother them. And it was cold in December. Late December, it was cold here. It was down. What's cold? Well, 20 degrees Fahrenheit here by the water.